forum, we had an insider's look at how Virgin Trains have thrown away their intranet and replaced it with iPhone apps. Den Carter from Virgin Trains demonstrated live some of the apps used every day by Virgin Trains staff around the UK. We saw the amazing App Store and the Resolution app used for solving problems, VT Connect for tailored messages to audiences, VT Player, the internal YouTube style service with lots of staff generated content, and finally Vibe, this unique app that's the first employee engagement survey in the world to psychometrically measure employees' feelings by imagery. Virgin Trains was the first UK train operator to introduce trains capable of operating at high speed with an award-winning high-frequency intercity services, transforming the historical West Coast Main Line. The company is consistently rated as an industry leader, renowned for comfortable journeys and excellent customer service. The company's mantra is "Screw average, create amazing," with people committed to continually challenging the rail industry to modernise and innovate. Here is a few of the snippets of what Den shared with members of the forum.
Decided was that our colleague communication strategy needs to be mobile first. And that's because those 3,500 people on the front line don't have computers. And we needed to also we needed to understand how our people actually felt about working for Virgin Trains, not just what they say they feel in surveys. And also we needed to have conversational leadership. All of the apps that we built are held together in our amazing app store, which is loading right now. So this is basically our own version of the app store where we categorize all of the different kinds of apps that we have. So comms and feedback includes Vibe.
Congratulations to Den and the team at Virgin Trains for fostering and sustaining an adult-to-adult culture and living that mantra, "Screw average, create amazing." This session covered a lot of ground. Many members' questions were answered, including do employees use their own phones or have company phones? And how much does it cost to make each app? Join the forum now and gain access to the full recording of this session. Your annual membership includes 4 face-to-face workshops each year with the most engaged and active intranet and digital workplace teams in Australia. There is the members-only site with resources and ad hoc support from the Step 2 crew. The forum is definitely the easiest and best way to keep up to date with what is happening locally and globally. Join us now.